everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a super simple way to hide and unhide folders on your computer. So let's get started. Firstly we are going to this PC, then going to videos. Here you will see all the videos. For example, I will click on this folder English, right click on it, then go click on show more options, then scroll down, click on properties. Here you will see in attributes hidden, click on hidden, then apply. Then they ask you if you apply changes to folder only or subfolder and files also. So I will click on it, okay, then okay. So here you will see this folder will be hidden. So again, if you are unhide this folder, click on view, then go to click on show. Here you will see hidden items. Click on hidden items. There your folder was. You will see all the items, but in this also it's transparent, little transparent. Right click on it again, click on show more options, scroll down, click on properties. Here you will see hidden will be marked. Click on again, uncheck this sorry, and click on apply, then okay, again okay. This folder will be properly visible, and just like that your folder is hidden. And that's it. Now you know how to hide and unhide folders in Windows 11. Just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.